What are y'all eating? You got some fufu and spinach. What do they call it? Swallow? Yeah, and spinach. Swallow. Good job. Yeah, and spinach. Hosira is drinking herbal tea. Mommy's cell cleansing herbal tea mixed with some prune juice to get things flowing. Herbal tea is packed with mullein and elderberry and a whole lot of 20+ herbs. Yes. And Xylie's cup is missing. Yes, Xylie's cup is missing, so we're going to share. So we're going to share. Boo. Hey. Let's say thumbnail. Yay, girls. Now we're just painting with the spinach. All right, what do your kids eat? They are one. We have pouches of pre-made food, but sometimes we like to let them just have fun and put the food in front of them and eat what they want. This is good for their it's called sensory, because I mean, who doesn't want to touch their food before they eat it or see their food before they eat it? So they just kind of feast away. Yum. For dinner, they are eating. They have some. This is called. See it? This is called fufu or swallow, and spinach from a local African restaurant. And mommy is eating egusi. Egusi is basically ground pumpkin seeds and spinach and vegetable soup for Raya with fufu. You think they like it? So somehow Osiris, I don't know where it went, but I guess she ate it. Mama. Yeah. All done. Good job. All done.